Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Gmail profile picture on mobile. Note that changing your Gmail picture will also change your picture for your entire Google account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Gmail on your phone. Tap the Profile Image button at the top right of the screen. If you don't already have a picture, the button will be the first letter of your name. Now select Manage your Google account and choose the account you want to change. Tap on the Personal Info tab. Beside the photo section, tap on the camera button to prompt setting a profile image. Choose the image from your gallery. You can then crop the image if it's not the right size. Tap Accept once done. My Gmail and Google profile image has now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.